G'day viewers, well, my little Frigidaire has been running for about an hour now. My little mounts I've made with those bolts, they weren't quiet to begin with, now they've gotten noisy. Yeah, I'm going to redo those mounts for the compressor. That's the way out. And I've started to repaint my Kelvinator. That looks like sex on a stick, as Dave Jones would say. That looks good. Normally, professionally, I would have probably taken it to a body repair shop, automotive shop, and I would have sandblasted it all and started to paint over again the bare metal bit. I decided to have a go at it myself. I mean, how hard can it be? As I say on top here. I got a bit of runs, but it's not too bad. The door looks pretty good. I got a slight run up here, but that looks good. I got some more of these paint too. I use 3 of those cans completed, about 4 coats on the whole front. That looks really good. That looks nice, I love that. It's not much of a difference to the original white, it's more of a beige, the original white, but it's not that much of a difference. It still looks pretty damn good with this new white coat of paint. I quite like it. I'm also chasing up some drawers for the base. Hopefully I can get them for a good price, not too expensive. I just they're not the I don't think they're the original ones of this fridge, but they look bloody close. I'm getting some power. This fridge is running. Yeah, there's some shade on my panels. So I was running for free. I was getting some current charging the batteries and some free energy, but looks like the fridge is costing me, so to speak. It's only coming from the sun. As I was saying before, my 60 amp energy charge controller is only going here. Because this is, I got some losses, so I'm going to update this. This TPS gets too hot. There's some drops in there. And I'm going to definitely going to run, yeah, I'm going to run a little isolator up here. And more of this solar cable straight to my energy charge controller on the wall. Big cables all the way, because I've noticed it gets about the same amount of sun as my other setup does, and this just doesn't perform as well. It keeps the batteries topped up, but it's just not as good as it could be with those panels. Anyway, I'll put the Edo coil in there, give me an indication of a drive come at night and have a quick look peek. Yeah, got plenty of battery. You can't really see that from a distance, but this helps. Anyway, got my little one here with me. He seems pretty happy with the results too. I'm going to go to the body, but I'm going to let this fridge get really cold first and put everything, and empty this fridge out, put everything back in this one. Because this is working quite nicely now, other than the noise for the compressor, which I'll fix that later, at a later date. I might even, well, for a lathe, I could probably use those same bolts, turn them down on the lathe and the shafts, and stuff some rubber or some sort of softening material, or a sleeve around it, so it's not rattling on the compressor mounts, but I'll work on it later. I want to get this fridge out and move it out towards the outside and paint the rest of it. I had the fan set up, it wasn't too bad in here. I got pretty good. Got a pretty good job. No overspray in the Frigidaire. I did put the towel there just in case, but I didn't fry too many brain cells doing it this way. I did have the VFD on that fan and it helped a lot. I just want a nice clean area to paint in. But when it's on a good day, I'm going to put the fridge outside, out near a little veranda here, paint the rest of it. And source some insulating, that back pipe there, source some insulating material for that. I might check my local engineering and rubber supply shop, should have some of that. What I'm really going to do now is get all this off and get this re-chromed, smooth it out and re-chrome it all, and ready this badge, that'll look nice. Not sure how I do that. I wonder if there's a kit you can buy or do it yourself. I would like to have a go at doing that myself. Pretty sure this is more of a pin on the back of this badge. If I take the inner side of the door off, take some insulation out, and see how this badge is stuck on. It didn't turn out too bad when I masked it off. Looks alright at a distance. Looks pretty good. But do it proper though, still got to take the badge off and paint it, but that turned out alright. Yeah, little one of these. You can see here, this pipe being detached. Not a big problem. It's just not frosty there, that's all. But it's still pretty bloody cold. I was worried it wasn't going to work properly, but that's not doing too bad at all. Oh, you want a drink? The little one wants a drink.